Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you about this particular survey platform and what you tend to get when you start up with this. I'm going to be showing you the registration process and also making review about this platform so you can get to understand before you get started with it. So you can see right here that there are so many features which you can start up on this platform. So I'm going to be walking you step by step how it works and what to expect while you are in this particular platform. But before we proceed with this video, guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to earn for ourselves and also make reviews about some platforms and how they operate, just like what I'm about doing right in this video. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial of today. So right here, the name of this particular survey platform is called 1Q. So this is a survey platform where you get paid to share your honest opinion right on this platform. So right here, you can see its easy steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can start leveraging on this platform right now. So you can come right here and see the process of which you can get started on these particular survey platforms. Now let's look at this testimony right here. You can see that there are so many testimonies right on this platform. If you go ahead to read through this, you are going to be seeing more of them. Okay, so I'm going to be walking you through right here. We are going to be skipping all this part and the frequently asked questions. Now, how do you get started on this particular 1Q survey? Come over to this particular hamburger icon. You're going to be seeing get insights, get paid, pulling resources, ask, sign in, create, ask account. So just go ahead to click on this particular one that says get paid. You're still going to be getting the app right on this platform. Okay, so you're still going to be redirected right here. Just come right here to click on get the app. Now before you go ahead clicking on get the app, there are some things you need to know about this particular platform. There's what we call location changer. There's also what we call VPN and proxy, so you can use that to access your account. I've gotten so many comments on how do I get a proxy or how do I get a VPN. So you can reach out to me to get some specific proxy for your survey. So with that being said, you can also get proxy anywhere for your survey. So it's not necessarily you use the same proxy I am using. Okay, so it's not necessarily I keep on mentioning the kind of proxy or VPN I use. So you can do the research yourself and also get one for yourself for your surveys. Okay, so right here we are going to click on the install button right here. So you need to install this particular survey app so we can get started with it. Now I made a video on how you can get access to some apps that are for the United Kingdom or the United States. So you can watch some of my videos on how to get a United Kingdom Play Store to have access to all these particular apps that are assigned to the United Kingdom Play Store. So right here we are going to click on open. So once we click on open, we are going to be setting up an account for ourselves. So right here, this is how the interface look like. You're going to be seeing join now and sign in. Now if you already have an account, you can go ahead to sign into your account, but if you don't have an account, just come right here and click on join now. Okay, so this is the process where you will need to fill out all these details to get your account registered. But before that, there's what we call location changer. Come over to your account like this. This is actually the location changer you're going to be using for this. That is if you are turning on your location when you are asked to do so. Okay, so there are so many strategy many users are using this particular 1Q survey. So it depends on the method of which you know how to use best. Now to use this location changer, your location needs to be turned on. Okay, your location needs to be turned on. So let's update this right here so you can see how I'm going to turn this location changer for this. That is if you are actually using this 1Q and your location is turned on. Remember I said you can use this particular 1Q survey in different method. So I'm going to be showing us just one method, which is offing your location. So right here, I just want to show you something about this particular location changer for some of us that will be using this. So for your location changer, an ad will be displayed before you can have access to it. Okay, so we are going to be coming right here. You can see right here that we need to turn on some settings on our account. I have made videos on that, but I'm not going to be using my location for this. So once you come right here, click on start, and an ad will display for some seconds, and you will have that on. Then your location changer is on. That is if you want your location should be on and it should be within the United Kingdom. So that is one way of getting your account. So we are not going to be using the location changer right here. Now, to set up an account for yourself on this particular platform, just come right here and insert your first name, your last name, your email address. Okay, your PayPal needs to be added right here for you to have access to this particular platform. So before you go ahead setting up an account for yourself, that is why it's always good to make research before setting up an account on any survey platform. Okay, so right here you can see we have the first name, the last name, the PayPal email. Come right here and input a mobile number. On this same channel, I have different videos that talks about how you can get a UK number you can use for 1 month and 1 year. So go ahead to input that number right here. Don't use a temporary number on this particular platform for this, because most times you are going to be sent a code. So, and your PayPal email should also be your PayPal email you're using. So you don't have to use someone's PayPal email when the person wants to also withdraw. The person is also using PayPal email. That is going to be a red flag, because it's going to show that you have two accounts. So one PayPal account to one account. Okay, so you don't have to use one PayPal in different and multiple accounts. So come right here and select your country. So you're going to be coming down right here to select your country. Okay, so come right here and input your date of birth, put in your password and confirm your password. So once all these are being put in place, you come down right here and click on continue. So once you click on continue, your account will be created right on this platform. But before you create your account, make sure you've gone through the terms of service, privacy policy and the likes of it. Now when you come down here, before clicking on continue, you can see how we use your number, how we use your email. So these are the main things you need to pay attention to this platform. These are what most people are not saying when you want to create your account and you start having issues on your account. Now once you click on this, you're going to be seeing we use your phone number to send you questions to help protect our member base by ensuring those who sign up actually own that number. We will never share your phone number with customers. Okay, so these are the main reason why your mobile number or your virtual number is being requested. So when you come right here also, you can see that we use your email to send you payment directly via PayPal. We will never share your email with customer. So this was actually what I was saying. If you want to go ahead setting up an account on this platform, you just need to have these personal details to yourself. Your mobile number should be something that you will always receive codes from, and your PayPal should be your main PayPal account, not someone else's own. And your mobile number also should be the one you have access to every now and then, because most times you'll be giving some information via your mobile number. So these are what you should take note while setting your account. So these are what you just need to set up your account right on this 1Q survey. Okay, so if you go ahead to skip any part, you're not going to be given access to continue right on this registration process. So that is how you can set up your account on 1Q and have access to tons of surveys. Now once you sign up on this platform, the first survey should be something you should be very sure that you're taking till the end, so you can be attracting more surveys to your account. So that is how you can set up your account and start leveraging 1Q. Now less disqualification is actually seen on this platform. That is why I can recommend 1Q survey to you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value of the review made on this particular survey platform on the registration process. And if you did got value from it, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any question, feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to that. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some platforms you can leverage on with different method in today's world. You can find the link on the pinned comment section, the Telegram and the WhatsApp group where you can join us and have fun while leveraging online today. Okay, so see you on my next video and keep winning.